For today's live reenactment of the movie Pi, I've invited a special guest onto the show. A drill. We are go in 3, 2, wait. I forgot something. For the record, the word lake is not supposed to refer to a headlight. So you can see the moisture in there, and all of this is liquid, which comes in thanks to the previous owner who decided a few modifications were in order, as well as natural deterioration. The glue around the sides is most likely just falling apart by now, as well as other leaks in the system. Don't be like me. The correct way to do this is to remove the entire bumper. That is correct. For a Grand Caravan or a Chrysler Town & Country, you remove the entire bumper, or at least loosen it so you can pull it out, and then take off the 4 bolts around the light, take out the light, take out the bulb, find the leak, seal the leak, dry the leak, test the leak, and then put it back in. Now, that's the correct way. I will put the links to do it the correct way in the description. I'm under the theory that this is going to happen again. It's going to continue to deteriorate, more leaks will come in. And so I talked to my friend Jay, who makes a hobby out of buying and reselling vehicles, fixing them up, making them go again. And he said to drill a hole at the lowest point of the light so that liquid has a place to drain out. So I will be drilling right here, and just enough, and a small bit, so that it can drain out freely, because again, if it was large enough, water would come right back in. All we want it is to go out. Go out. You hear me, water? Time to drill. And here comes the water right now. Notice the nice black spot where I moved off the paint. If you are familiar with Pocket One, you know that this is not the only paint missing from her. We love you, Pocket. Now, yeah, we're going to let that drain, but that will be a long-term solution to any other leaks happening inside of there. 24 hours later, a bit of sunlight, and the moisture is in full retreat. That's right, there's only a little bit left now. Same thing on the left side, of course. Left side was already doing good. And there we go. This is Jaya with Bands and Villains telling you, don't be like me. And thank you for watching. A huge shout out and thanks to BeamFD and iGistics for the use of the drill, the use of the driveway, and a bedroom while I stay here. Also, shout out and thanks to Jay for the tip, because I like this long-term solution. But again, it's not suggested. For the next experiment, we're going to take the drill and we're going to punch holes in the roof to increase the ventilation in here, because it's starting to smell like a cutscene from Deadpool.